Everyone, I'm Rohit, and I, on behalf of Aurobindo Society, would like to welcome all the teachers to one of the most successful and innovative idea sharing platform of India, ZIIEI, that is Zero Investment Innovation for Education Initiative. And here we will be discussing about new and innovative techniques for the different lessons from our chapters. And in short, we will learn how to make the whole process of learning fun and interesting for the kids. And today, the chapter that I'll be covering is from NCERT Board Class 1, Chapter 2, subject is mathematics, and the name of the lesson is known as numbers from 1 to 9. The innovation that I'll be using here for covering this lesson is known as theme-based attendance. It's a very interesting innovation, and the main innovation behind using this idea is to convert the duration of attendance into learning. And during this process, the students, instead of saying present sir or present ma'am, he or she will be saying a word from the chapter. And the concept that we will revise with the help of this innovation are revising the concept of numbers and number names. The duration for implementing this idea is 10 minutes. Before implementing this idea, a few instructions to the instructor, to the educator, is that the theme for the implementing this innovation will be numbers, and you will be calling out the roll numbers in the sequential order as we normally do. And one very important thing that we should take note of is that while doing implementing this innovation, we should have already completed the building and explaining part of the chapter, and we will use this innovation only as a means of revising the concepts. And before implementing this idea, we need to make some pre-arrangements. In the blackboard, we make three columns. In the first column, we will write certain numbers which the students have to name, which the students will name it. In the second column, we will draw certain objects, and the students will have to count those objects. In the third column, we will write certain missing numbers, and the students will have to find and write down the missing numbers. And then we initiate a discussion with the students after completing the following activity, the previous activity which I have mentioned. We discuss with them. We ask them to observe uh, the things which we have written in the blackboard properly, so that they recognize the numbers and make themselves familiar with the numbers. And then we inform the students that today we are going to do the attendance in a very new and innovative way. We will be eh, responding to the attendance by visualizing to increase our memory power, like in the following manner. Suppose roll number 1 is Ria. We call out roll number 1. Then Ria will come to the blackboard and say in the first column it's written 5. She will name it 5, and that she will name it as 5. It's as simple as that. In the second, suppose roll number 2, Priya. We call out roll number 2. Priya will come, and suppose in the second column we have drawn 3 clouds. She will count the number of clouds and say 3 clouds. Say roll number 3, Ram. We call out roll number 3. Ram will come and say there's a missing number 3 and 5 with a dash. He will point out at that question, and he will say 4. In case the students are unable to answer, we will also guide them while doing so, and also they can also take help from the peers. And when we start revising the concepts in this manner, in this particular innovation, we get a lot of benefits. First of all, the students will become attentive during the attendance period, because it is mostly seen that in almost all the schools, it's a very common problem that during the attendance period, the students are not at all attentive, because they have just entered the school and all of them are thinking about other things. So when we start implementing this innovation, they become more attentive during the attendance period. And also, that 10 minutes of duration of attendance, we are also utilizing it for teaching, for revising the concepts of a particular chapter. Along with this, the students will also become learn the value of patience and respecting others' thoughts. Along with this, it will also help in developing the critical thinking and the decision making process. Along with how they will also learn how to use numbers from 0 to 9, how to recognize and speak those numbers, along along with other innovators, along with other benefits. And I'm definitely sure that when you start practically implement this innovation in your classrooms, then we will be you will be getting a number of benefits apart from the ones which I've mentioned. And for this innovation, this idea, that's all. I hope you like this video. And if you want more of such videos from us, please do like, share, and subscribe to our official channel, ZIIEI. And also don't forget to download our ZIIEI Innovative Pathshaala app from the Google Play Store. That's all for now. Thank you so much.